Nicole had a successful, growing cleaning business, but customers and prospects were starting to demand increased documentation and validation of the cleaning tasks she performed to assure their facilities were clean, safe, and healthy. Nicole saw her competitors like Henry start to panic at this new customer request. Henry was losing business because he did not have the time or knowledge to give the customers what they demanded. Lucky for Nicole, she uses Janitorial Manager. Instead of panicking, she could focus on finding new ways to help her customers understand the details of the services she provided, achieve their goals, and become their valued partner for many years. The key to Nicole's success? Scan for Clean from Janitorial Manager. With Scan for Clean, Nicole can create custom QR codes for a variety of areas in the facility she cleans. The QR codes even have unique cleaning checklists Nicole developed for each location. As an added bonus, Nicole's employee retention skyrocketed. Employees knew what was expected and responded to the feedback and recognition of their services. Nicole was even able to add to her workforce because Janitorial Manager and Scan for Clean provided her with enough knowledge and control to expand her business while her competitors' businesses floundered. Her staff used the JM Connect app to scan a QR code in a facility and start cleaning, view and track their cleaning steps, and scan the QR code again when the tasks are done. Then Nicole shares reports with her customers on cleaning frequency, completed tasks, and how long they spent cleaning. Nicole also set up QR codes for her customers and the general public to instantly check an area's status. They simply scan the QR code with smart devices to check if an area is marked clean. They'll see its last cleaning date as well as who serviced it. This feature provides greater trust in the health and safety of a facility. If an area is marked not clean, the app helps look for other clean areas nearby and allows them to request service for the dirty area. Customers and the public can leave feedback on all the areas they scan, so Nicole can track her customers' overall satisfaction and confidence with her services. Nicole's customers love the enhanced communication and knowledge on the essential services Nicole provides. The communication features allows them to share data with their employees and customers for peace of mind in a clean and safe environment. Poor Henry's unhappy customers found happiness and excellent service with Nicole as her business continued to grow. Learn how you can track, validate, and communicate your essential cleaning services like Nicole does and help your customers succeed with Janitorial Manager. Knowledge, control, success. Janitorial Manager.